me again. Just wanting to say hi. I'm here at the park, but the park, my favorite park actually. There's so many parks here in San Antonio, the city of San Antonio. So many, maybe 40 or something, or more. I don't know, but in that range. And this is my favorite park. If I haven't seen, I think there's 2 or 3 more that are really nice also, because there are deers, and here are the birds and egrets and ducks. So, but I saw ducks, but the egrets definitely is not here. The pond is empty and dry, so that's okay. I'm just saying hi. It's so nice to be in here in the park and enjoy the fresh air under the trees. And there's a lot of people that are going here. There's a maze that the children are playing. People are walking around, or just some are just sitting watching the phone. Anyhow, okay guys, have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful time, whatever you may be doing. Just enjoy life. Money is not important. You can still enjoy life without money, by using the things that you have already, enjoying them and be grateful of them, and with your faith and God and prayers. Oh, that's more than enough. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Love you. Yes, hello. These pictures here are older pictures because I go there a lot, and so I have pictures that I posted in Facebook, and that you can see because I did not take pictures when I was there, the other day, because the park was in renovation. I got a call from my daughter, and she said that she was so eager to look at the park, which park I was talking about. So that gave me an idea to create a video today, right now. Anyhow, this is what I was saying to you, that my favorite park. There are so many parks in San Antonio, and I'm kind of promoting this, but I'm just sharing it with you because I really enjoy this place, and I hope San Antonio will also get this video. Hello, how's everyone? Well, I hope you are halfway to the video and you will see this video, and I'm hoping that you have read or have seen what I posted there. And also at the same time, if you can go to WordPress, Teresa Laurente, WordPress.com, and also Mayette's collection at WordPress.com. You will see my post there too about educational things, stories that you would love to hear and learn. And gee, my sunglasses is big in my face. I just pull anything what I found on there at my compartment, and it's windy and all that. But anyhow, thank you so much, and hit subscribe and check on my YouTube channel, Mayette Rodriguez, and you'll find about 4 or 5 videos there that you can watch and see a lot of things that you will learn from. And I am happy to discover this kind of things. It's kind of work for me, but at the same time I'm enjoying it. I'm able to do the things I really wished I could do, and which I'm doing right now. Writing, creating videos. I'm learning. It's not professional, the videos, but I'm learning. I'll get there. And learning a lot of stuff, for monetization, and also my painting, the book that I'm wanting to create, the second book. And that I'm going to get some funding. I'm not working anymore. I don't have income, but from my savings, I'm using my savings so I can do the things that I wanted to do at the same time, earn from it. So I need your support. Thank you much. Love you. Bye-bye. I love nature. It gives me inspiration to paint certain subjects, and I'm still in awe when I see anything about it. It could be certain odd roots coming out from the ground, or certain pattern of the signs of a leaf, and the formation of branches in a tree. Nature provides peace and recluse from whatever life throws at you. Bear that in mind. The fresh air brushing your skin refreshes you from that dreary feeling, and it also awakens your senses, reminding you that you are not alone out there. There is someone who cares for your being. Your thought directs you to a certain emotion that you are loved. For what better way to comprehend about God and His love by witnessing the magic of nature's beauty, right? The sounds of the wind in the leaves of the trees dancing to its tune is enough to arouse and steer your imagination to create thoughts leading you to discover the joy of the moment, and at the same time covering up the turmoil or confusion that you're going through. Right? Hello, and thank you for listening, viewing my video, and hopefully you hit subscribe there and view and learn from all those posts that I have shared with you. They say that if you listen to those who have experiences in life and they're sharing it with you, it is priceless, learning, because these people have gone through life walking like a zigzag and doing some like puzzles, and finally have discovered how to put them all together. And for you to listen to these people sharing their experiences and life histories and all that is kind of a gift to you, because you will earn from those experiences, learn from them, and apply it to your life for decision making. In case you have something that you want to decide that you're not sure of, and you don't know what the outcome would be. So please hit subscribe, and thank you so much. I'll see you again. Love you. The quieter the place, and especially when you're experiencing something in your life that when you need space or time alone, the best way to do, for me, I go run towards nature, and to embrace, nature, and soak in it, and find answers to the questions I have in my mind. Like most recently, I am bothered because I can't find people to help out cleaning the studio, and so I'm trying to understand, why, what's the holdup. And so this is the reason why I run to nature, and I pray for guidance and seek the answers. Anyhow, what you saw are my paintings. I am really a big believer and supporter for God, for fundraising for good causes, such as higher education, scholarships, mental illness, and many types of autoimmune diseases and cancer. That's the reason why I participate in fundraising, donating a portion of my sales of my painting. Anyhow, don't forget to check my website, www.teresalorente.com, and also get my book. It's a really nice book as a companion for your downtimes, because the contents are spiritual and motivational, and also a nice picture in your coffee table, and a good gift for friends. Anyhow, bye now, and God bless us all. Awaken your sacred dream and bring it to life, because you, my dear, can achieve whatever you put your heart and your mind into. And I'm kind of like bummed up too, because lately my sleeping habits is wacky. So I sleep at different times of the day and chop times. So I am a natural. I favor natural healing. So I listen to my body, and that I work around my sleeping habits, because sleep is very important. Anyhow, I work around it. That's when I wake up. When my body says I'm awake, so that's when I clean the house, cook for myself, go out, do some errands.